Go'la!
Keldingizmi?
Keldim. Nima qilyapsan?
Choy tayyorlamoqchi edim. Lola kelibdi.
Lola? Nega?
Zo'rg'a ketkizvordim.
Ne keladi?
Lazon bilan urishibdi. Uydan haydabdi. Otangni yoniga borgin debdi.
Demak, bizdan xabari yo'q ekanda.
Menimcha bo'lmasa kerak, bilmasa kerak. Bo'lmasa bu qizingiz hamma yo'lni ostin-ustin qilardi. Yaxshi keldingizmi?
Yaxshi, o'g'lim qani?
Endi keladi maktabdan.
Ovqat qildingmi?
Yo'q. Zakaz qildim.
Zo'rsan-da.
Nima qilay? O'zimni qiynab nima qilaman?
Ana iplos. Aida kampirsho ustimdan yozibdi.
Ne yozadi?
Bolam itarib o'rgan deb. Endi alam qilyapti-da, nima deysan? Sen meni olib qo'yding. Qiz yersiz qoldi.
Tuhmat bo'lsa, uni o'zi jazo oladi.
Endi bu tuhmat? Lekin qanaqa qilib men isbotlab beraman?
Nima isbotlab bera olmaysiz? Siz itarmagansiz-ku.
Men nimaga itaraman? Boya akam telefon qiluvdi. Do'konga odam topdim deb. Uni shartiga ko'nmadim. Ko'nsam bo'lar ekan. Do'konni mollarini tezroq sotib, tezroq surishimiz kerak. Bu tuhmat qilib tiqib yubormoqchi meni.
Ammo akam menga telefon qilib jonimga tegib ketdi.
Ko'tardingmi?
Yo'q. Cho'rniga tiqib qo'ydim oxiri. Kelmasa bo'ldi.
O'shaning uchun ko'zsiz urish kerak emas-da.
Men ko'zsizimmanmi? O'zi qo'yib oldi, zvachkaga o'xshab.
Ko'nsam bo'lar ekanda.
Telefon qiling, o'ylab ko'rdim deb.
Lekin 50 ga 50 deyapti-da.
Voy, yoqibdi-yu. Hech nimasiz 50 ga 50 pul olar ekanmilar.
O'shaning uchun ko'nmadim men ham.
Ozgina sabr qiling, o'zimiz odam topamiz.
Lekin undan ham quruq qolishimiz mumkin-da.
Baribir sizni isbotlamasdan qamalmaydi. Tim bo'lani sholg'om gapirmayotgan bo'lsa, qanaqa qilib qamaydi? Onasini gapi bilan.
Sholg'om qo'l qo'ydi-yu, gapirmasa ham. Yengil qaramagin yoki men bu uyni bankka qo'yib pul olib suramizmi?
Qanaqa bankka qo'yasiz? O'zi bankda-yu.
Bitta yo'lini qilish kerak.
Mayli. Siqilavermang, bir gap bo'lar. Ne unaqa siqilasiz? Men borman yoningizda.
Yaxshi ham sen borsan.
Turib choy damladim, qarang. Keling.
O'rganyapsanmi? Turkiyaga borsam choy damlayman har kuni deb.
Sizga ham o'rgatib qo'yaman. Ertalab siz damlaysiz.
Men choy damlaymanmi?
Ha, nima? Men uchun damlamaysizmi?
Arziysan lekin.
Assalomu alaykum Aydipa. Yaxshimisiz? Keliningiz analizlari chiqdi.
Qani ko'raychi. Voy.
Rostdan tabriklayman.
Nima ekan Aydipa?
Yaxshi yangilik.
Tabriklayman. Jiyanli bo'lar ekansiz Shabnam.
Voy, rostdanmi? Keniya. Ammo bo'lar ekanman.
Hello and welcome back to Dramatic Prime. This is the channel where we explain popular drama episode reviewing. Today we are reviewing a very important episode, Ransiz Gular Qism 100. This episode is special because it shows the breaking point of every character, the emergence of hidden trust in the shifting dynamics of relationship. It is not just an ordinary episode, it is a turning point where courage, fear, and responsibility collide. Let's dive into the story. Francis Gular Qism 100 Pull review the opening scene, heavy silence with tension. Qism 100 start with the house, bath, and morning sunlight. Everything looks normal, but the atmosphere is tense. Dilnoza is the first character we see. She sits by the window, staring outside. Her expression is calm but unreadable. This is a different Dilnoza. She had learned the truth, yet she is neither picking nor crying. She is processing a lot: fear, anger, disappointment, but it is quiet. This opening scene, the tone, emotion is under control, but pressure is rising. Jawlan inner turmoil. Next we see Jawlan walking through the garden. He looks restless. His mind is racing. In previous episodes, Jawlan avoided confrontation. Now he understands the silence is no longer protection, it is consequences. He remembers Aziz Beg manipulations and the confusion caused in the family. He asked himself, how did I let fear decide my action? How did I stay quiet while everyone suffered? This episode makes it clear Jawlan is at the edge of is no moral and emotional limits. Saudat Hufa feel the weight of choices. Saudat Hufa is defected in her usual room, holding family her looms. She is quiet and reflective and slightly fearful. For the first time, she feels the full consequence of past decision. Her protective silences earlier episodes is allowed tension to grow. She thinks I wanted to protect them, but did I only protect myself? What will happen now? Saudat Hufa's hugs in the episode shows guilt, awareness, and desire to make amends. Tapshi is no words alone or not enough. Medina emotionally maturity. Medina is no longer the young confusion girl from previous episodes. She is calm, strong, and emotionally aware. She approaches Dilnoza and says, "We cannot let fear decide our lives anymore." Medina Act is a stabilizing force for the family, showing emotional intelligence and courage. Her presence reminds viewer that maturity is not age, it is the ability to act wisely during crises. Aziz Beg stops to control. Aziz Beg is the sheriff. He does not make correct moves in the episode, but his presence is felt. Unlike past episode where he manipulated directly, here he relies on psychological influences. Its calm observation suggestion even without action I can create doubt. This episode show that truth power often lies perceived control, not visible action. Raihona strategic silence. Raihona appears briefly, but importantly she does not intervene in the argument or confront anyone. Instead, she watches carefully and advises only when necessary. Her wisdom is subtle. Sometimes watching and waiting is more powerful than acting. Raihona's rule reinforces that intelligence is about timing and understanding, not just word. The past confrontation occurred between Dilnoza and Jawlan. It is calm but charged, not shouting, no dramatic, just truth. Dilnoza says, "I know what has been happening, Jawlan. I need honesty now, not excuses." Jawlan struggles but start to confess his peer-driven decision. He explained how he stayed silent to protect everyone but hit a big period. This moment is crucial. truth and being faced head on, making a shift from avoidance to responsibility. Saudat Hufa stepped forward. Saudat Hufa joined the discussion. She her mistake and fear openly for the first time. I thought hearing the truth would protect us, but it only created distance. Her humanity has emotional depth. This episode emphasizes that admitting mistake is a form of courage. Madina meditates. Madina meditates between Dilnoz and Jawlan. She says we cannot undo the past, but we can choose how to move forward. Her words act as a bridge, allowing honesty and recognized to emerge. Originally, this mature conflict resolution is to retaining emotionally realizing Jawlan guilt and relief. Jawlan realized that compassion does not only bring guilt, it is only bring relief. He thanks per year. Silence was my shield, but it was only my prison. He emotional journey is emotional journey in this episode highlights internal transformation, showing viewers that self-awareness here is first step toward healing. Aziz Beg uneasily calm. Aziz Beg observes from a distance. The family is talking openly. Truth is being revealed for the first time. His influence feels limited. He understands that control cannot last when fear is gone. This subtle shift, attention keeping viewer edge engaged. The family dynamics shift by the middle of the episode. The family has changed. Dilnoza is stronger and decisive. Jawlan is honest and responsible. Saudat Hufa is reflective and humble. Madina is emotionally intelligent and fire as is big, powerful, less without fear. This episode showed that transparency transform relationship, ending a new beginning. The